Welcome. I'm really glad you're here. For the next few minutes, there's nothing you need to do. There's nothing to fix. And there's nowhere to go. This time is just for you. So let's begin by finding a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. And allow your body to settle. Allow the ground beneath you to carry your weight. Now gently close your eyes if you'd like. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and release it slowly through your mouth. And again, breathe in calm, steady, and full. And then breathe out, letting go of all tension. So one more time now. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs. And then exhale slowly. And from this moment on, your breath is your anchor. Steady, gentle, always here to guide you back to calm. So now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice any tension in your forehead, your eyes, or even your jaw. And with your next exhale, allow these areas to soften. Now bring your attention to your shoulders. Notice if they're lifted or tight. And then let them drop, as though a heavy weight is sliding away. Notice your arms and hands. And relax them fully, letting them rest by your side. Feel your chest rising and falling with the rhythm of the breath. Each inhale brings in calm, and each exhale releases tension. Now for your belly, and if it feels tight, just let it loosen. Give yourself permission to soften. Down into your hips, your legs, and your feet. Feel the ground beneath you holding you, supporting you. There's nothing you need to hold up right now. The earth carries you. Now imagine all the stress of today as a dark cloud floating above your head. It may be heavy, restless, and swirling with noise. So just see it there, separate from you. And with every exhale, that cloud grows thinner, lighter, and more transparent. Breathing out, watching the cloud dissolve, and breathing in, filling with calm, steady light. So see the sky clearing above you. See the space opening. Feel the relief of release. And now silently repeat after me. I am safe. I am calm. I am here in this moment. So allow these words to echo gently in your mind and let them settle deep into your body, as true as your breath. So take one more slow breath in, filling your lungs completely, and then exhale fully, letting the last of the tension melt away. And when you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes. Feel the surface beneath you. And when it feels right, softly open your eyes now and take this calm with you into the rest of your day. Namaste.